Hey, it's Rich from Planet PE, and today I'm going to do something a little bit different. So I've been sent something that actually I've been waiting for quite a while and quite excited to try and show you guys. So what we're going to have a look at is to see what I have been sent in the post. So let's get cracking. Today's video is all going to be about a company called GCSE Simplified. So they have been very, very kind and sent me some wonderful product, and we're going to go through and show you what they do and why you might want to use it in your revision. So keep coming, keep checking out the videos. If you are new, please like and subscribe and all that jazz. But let's get looking at GCSE Simplified. Okay, they are a company that has been started by a guy called Tony, who used to be a PE teacher and was very, very brave and decided that he was making something that he wanted to get out to lots and lots of you guys, and there are heaps of them out there. So let's have a look to see what they actually do and how the courses might help you. So at the moment then, they have so far shipped out 30,000 copies of these, which is just an amazing effort. Over 23 countries, and the latest one was Kuwait, which was today when he sent me this. So at the moment then, he has GCSE PE guides for Edexcel, for AQA, OCR, the WJEC course, IGCSEs. There's also Edexcel PEP guides, the Cambridge National Sports Studies ones, and also you'll see lots of the other ones in the links because I might forget one or two. And more recently, he's also done a set text for the English book that some of you might be studying in his spectacles, and is then going to be moving on to A Christmas Carol. Now, for those of you who are level 3 students, he's also working on a BTEC Level 3 Unit 1 Anatomy and Physiology one, which is the external exam, which is worth a lot of credits. It's worth 120 credits, which is kind of double weighted, so definitely worth getting. So let's have a look at what they are and how they might help you in your studies. So, as you will see from the wonderful thing that he sent me, there are lots and lots of wonderful, you might just get that, diagrams, and that is kind of the way that Tony does his GCSE Simplified things. So let's have a look. As you'll see, really, really colourful, essentially mind maps. Okay, now the beauty of that is that loads of you are going to be making mind maps, and if being honest, they're not necessarily going to help you because they're quite scruffy, you don't use colour in the right way, you're not adding pictures to them, and you're not doing them in a way that is going to help you in the very, very best way. What GCSE Simplified are doing, and again, I got hold of these or a test copy quite a long time ago, so some of my students who I had a couple of years ago, with some of the first people to try these, is that they are quick fire testers that you can do, that your family can help you with, but more importantly, it adds it into ways that your brain is going to like it. So for instance, we've got colour, we've got real clear titles, we've got pictures that add on to it. And again, those of you who are struggling with revision, this may be something that will change, it'll be a real game changer for you. So the ways that you can get hold of it is that there is a website called www.gcsesimplified.com. He's on Instagram, he's on Twitter, he is on Facebook, and there's lots of different ways that you can order, and you'll see that all through the websites. So, you know, teachers out there, get your finance department to order it, and then you might be able to order them individually if you contact him and ask very, very nicely. So that revision guide is absolutely superb, and I will very much be using that. If Tony wants to be particularly kind, maybe we can look at getting hold of one or two, and maybe even giving this one away to some of you guys to try and help you out. So something we'll look at in the future. So thanks for watching, and again, a slightly different video from me, and I hope you are all staying safe and keeping indoors, and it won't be too long before we're back in school and you'll be able to use things like this to help you. Cheers for watching.